Space debris around the Earth. In recent decades, the issue of space debris has become a growing concern for scientists, governments, and space agencies around the world. Space debris refers to the collection of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and other fragments of man-made objects that are orbiting the Earth. These remnants pose a significant threat to both current and future space missions, as well as to the long-term sustainability of space exploration. The origins of space debris can be traced back to the early days of space exploration, when the first satellites and rockets were launched into orbit. Over time, as more objects were sent into space, the accumulation of debris became inevitable. Currently, it is estimated that there are millions of pieces of space debris larger than 1 centimeter and countless smaller fragments swirling around the Earth at incredible speeds. One of the major concerns regarding space debris is the danger it poses to operational satellites and spacecraft. Collisions with even small pieces of debris can cause significant damage or complete destruction of these valuable assets. Not only can this result in the loss of important scientific data and communication capabilities, but it can also create additional debris, further exacerbating the problem. Furthermore, the presence of space debris also poses risks to astronauts and human space missions. The International Space Station, ISS, for instance, has to periodically adjust its orbit to avoid potential collisions with space debris. These maneuvers are time-consuming, costly, and can disrupt scientific experiments and other activities on board the ISS. Furthermore, the risk of a catastrophic collision that could endanger the lives of astronauts cannot be ignored. Efforts to address the issue of space debris have primarily focused on mitigating its creation and developing technologies to remove existing debris from orbit. For example, space agencies are now implementing strict policies to ensure that satellites and rockets are designed to minimize the creation of debris at the end of their operational lives. Additionally, scientific researchers are exploring innovative methods, such as using lasers or robotic arms, to capture and remove larger debris objects from orbit. However, despite these efforts, the problem of space debris remains a complex and multifaceted challenge. The vast number and variety of objects in orbit, coupled with the high costs and technical difficulties of removing them, make it a daunting task. Moreover, international cooperation and coordination are crucial in tackling this issue, as space debris knows no national boundaries and affects all nations engaged in space activities. In conclusion, space debris poses a significant threat to space missions, satellites, and human space exploration. The accumulation of defunct satellites and other fragments around the Earth has created a dangerous and ever-growing problem. Efforts to address this issue are underway, focusing on both preventing the creation of new debris and developing technologies to remove existing debris. However, the magnitude and complexity of the problem require continued international collaboration and commitment to ensure the long-term sustainability of space exploration.